Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belts used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. This helps explain the key role that this part plays. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery Qashqai 1 2.0 dCi. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts lift the front of the vehicle and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Next, you need to remove the right front mudguard and the damper pulley protection plate to access the drive belt. Remove the retaining clips from the damper pulley protection plate using a pry bar. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the mudguard screws. Next, using a pry bar, remove the retaining clips. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yes, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a 15mm ring wrench or Allen wrench, loosen the drive belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. When you're changing a drive belt, you also have to replace the tensioner pulley. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, loosen the 2 screws holding the tensioner pulley. Remove the pulley. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the protective cover of the take-up pulley screw. Using a socket wrench and a 13mm socket, loosen the screw holding the take-up pulley. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the take-up pulley.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Get the new pulley and put it back in its place. Rescrew it in using the socket wrench from its first operations. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Take the new take-up pulley and put it back in its slot. Screw it back in with the socket wrench. Finish off the tightening with the torque wrench. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, loosen the tensioner pulley using the indentation and remove the locking pin. Take the new drive belt. Pay careful attention to which way up you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the tensioner pulley in order to pass the drive belt into all of the pulleys. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. To finish installing the belt, rotate the damper pulley using a 22mm spanner. Reinstall the protection cover of the take-up pulley. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Put the damper pulley protection plate back in place. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.